Hi, my name is Gaurav Kumar and I'm from branch IT section B. And today we are going to discuss about the topic intelligent agents in artificial intelligence. So what are agents? So an agent is nothing but it can be viewed as perceiving from its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. For example, human agent and robotic agent. These two are agents which perceive from its environment and then they act upon that environment through actuators. And for example, in human agent, there are eyes, ears, and other organs for sensors, and hands, legs, mouth, and other body parts for actuators. Similarly, in robotic agent, cameras and infrared range finders for sensors and various motors for actuators. Now, what are agents and environments? So you can see through this, picture. This is an agent, and the agent is sensing from its environment. It is perceiving from its environment through sensors, and then it is acting upon the environment through the actuators. So, and also there is the agent function that maps from percept histories to actions, and it can be represented as you can see P star to A, and the agent program runs on the physical architecture to produce F. And agent is nothing but the combination of architecture and program. So agent barabar architecture plus program. Now what are rational agents? So a rational agent is an agent which has clear preference, models, uncertainty, and acts in a way to maximize its performance measure with all possible actions. A rational agent is said to perform the right things. AI is about creating rational agents to use for game theory and decision theory for various real world scenarios. For an AI agent, the rational action is most important because in AI reinforcement learning algorithm, for each best possible action, agent gets the positive reward, and for each wrong action, an agent gets a negative reward. So now what is rationality? The rationality of an agent is measured by its performance measure. Rationality can be judged on the basis of following points: the performance measure, which defines the success criteria; agent prior knowledge of its environment; best possible actions that an agent can perform; the sequence of percepts. Now we will look at P's, which is an important concept. So P's is a type of model on which an AI agent works upon. When we define an AI agent or rational agent, then we can group its properties under P's representation model. It is basically made up of four words: P, E, A, and S. Now what does that mean? We will look. So P means performance measure, E means environment, A means actuators, and S means sensors. So these are the performance measure, and the objective is clearly the success of an agent's behavior. These measures the success of an agent's behavior. So for example, we will discuss the P's for self-driving cars. So let's suppose a self-driving car, there is a self-driving car, then what will be the P's representation for this? So the performance will be what? Safety, time, legal drive, and comfort. These are the performance measure. And then there is environment. Environment is what? Roads, other vehicles, road signs, and pedestrian. These are the environment. And then actuators. So steering, accelerator, brake, signal, horn. These are the actuators for this. And what are sensors? Camera, GPS, speedometer, odometer, accelerometer, sonar. These are the sensors through which it senses. Okay. Now we will discuss about types of agents. We will not discuss, we will just look at what are the types of agents. So agents can be grouped into five classes based on their degree of perceived intelligence and capability. The first one is simple reflex agents. The second one is model based reflex agents. The third one is goal based agents. The fourth one is utility based agents. And fifth one is learning agent. And the seventh one is multi agent systems. Eighth one is hierarchical agents. So these were the agents. Now you can read more about these on the internet. We will also look at environment types. So there are six environment types. The first one is fully observable, and the second one is deterministic. Third one is episodic. Fourth is static. Fifth is discrete, and the sixth one is single agent.